Hey, good afternoon. Today I am looking at a Subaru. I have a 2002 Subaru Outback with an EVAP problem. I have multiple codes, and one of them that I wanted to talk about today was P0496, which is EVAP purge detected but not commanded. And basically what that's saying is that the purge valve is leaking, and basically that the EVAP system is detecting vacuum when there shouldn't be, because of course it's not commanding it. And this usually happens for a couple of reasons. One, the purge valve can get stuck open, corrosion, sometimes dust blowing in from the canister, or if the VSV vacuum switching valve is grounded by, perhaps a chafed wire or something like that. And so one of the ways that you can check this is if you can find the line that goes to the purge valve and pinch it off and see what happens. Now in this case I was able to take a look at this, and I have on my laptop hooked up to a OBD scan tool. I'm using scantool.net, and all I'm doing here is actually just looking at the RPMs. And because I've got the electric fans going and stuff, the RPMs are bumping up and down, but I'm gonna make it bump up and down by clamping off the purge valve. Now I'm gonna take a look at this. I'll show you where I found. This is the line that goes to the purge VSV. So you follow this around down to here, and this is where the two lines come together, and the VSV is in behind it that controls purge function. So what I'm going to do is get my pliers here and just do a quick little pinch. And you can hear immediately a very slight drop in engine RPM. And I let go, engine RPMs come back up because now I'm getting a new input of air. So we just take a look here again. We're going to focus on the screen, and I'm going to reach around here and pinch off this line again. And you take a look. Watch, as soon as I pinch it off, drop in RPM, and then it picks back up because the IAC, idle air control, kicks in. Now I'm going to let go, and instantly pops up the RPMs, but the IAC kicks in to even it out again. So this is telling me that the purge valve is indeed leaking. So how do you figure that out? Next, what to do? The next thing to do is to go in and see if it's being connected electronically. So I'm going to take a look at the connector. The best way to do this is just simply unplug it. Now I'm using a pair of pliers here because the engine's hot. So here it is. That's the VSV connector. Down there you can see a better view, and as we can tell, engine RPM hasn't changed yet, but just for giggles we're going to test it again. So take a look at engine RPMs. Gonna pinch off that purge line, RPMs drop and pick up again because the IAC kicks in. And I'm going to let go of the purge line. RPMs go back up because now it's getting that source of air again, and the IAC kicks in again. So what that's telling me is that even though the purge valve is disconnected, the purge valve is still open, which means that it is leaking internally. So in this case, I'm going to have to replace the purge valve. So I have to save that fix for another day.